Here's lick 17. Lick 17 is a very classical sounding lick and is very reminiscent of a Baroque period classical piece by Bach or Beethoven or Mozart. The way we finger this lick is to start with a second finger on the 14th fret, then slide the second finger to the 16th fret, and then move our index finger back to the 13th fret for the last 6 notes. Let's try the whole lick one time slow. Here's lick 18. Lick number 18 is a continuation of our Baroque style lick, and what we do is to move the same theme up to other positions on the neck. Finally resolving on a high A note on the 17th fret of the E string. Now let's try the whole lick one time slow. Here's lick 19. Here in lick 19, we're playing in the key of F sharp minor and playing an extremely fast pentatonic sequence. First we play in the root position, then we stretch out our third finger to take on the second position as well. Then we go back to the root position and resolve the lick like this. Here's the lick one time slow. And on to lick 20. Here in lick 20, we're playing in the key of F sharp minor, and we're taking advantage of the Dorian scale as well as the blues scale with a flat 5. The best way to play this lick is using the first, second, and third finger rather than using the pinky for the flat 5. I think you'll find better results with this finger, which is much more stronger and agile than the pinky. Now let's try the whole lick one time slow. Well, that concludes our tape. Hope you've enjoyed sharing these licks and this in-depth look at Steve Vai. Remember when playing these to always play with the recorded example. Always keep your ears open and try to catch all the musical nuances instead of just learning a couple of notes stuck together. What's really important is to make them sing and to always be aware of your musicality. Keep practicing.